delighted to be here to share this evening with all of you and to congratulate Fujairah Plastic Factories Group for yet another milestone year. A company that has not only grown in size and innovation, but has built lasting relationships across borders and across generations. Tonight is all about appreciation for hard work. It's appreciation for partnership and for the people who make it all possible. So my guests, please sit back, enjoy this night of good company, great stories, and maybe even a few surprises coming.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, success is relationships. I always believe strong relationship between me and the customer. This is the way of business. This is the way how we do it. We are human beings. We try to deliver as much as we can the product that you really need, and to give you a very good also news that the first quarter of 2026 is going to be really remarkable actually. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for sparing your time to visit us.